Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to provide your students scannable instructions in an e-learning course. Now, information can be easily misinterpreted when delivered online. Instructions and course content needs to be formatted in a way that can be easily scanned, and text should be written to avoid anything that is not necessary. First, it's suggested to limit text by 50%, making all paragraphs short and to the point. Information that is crucial and not directly related needs to be placed on the sideline, but not too ambiguously. Instructions also need to include a meaningful title with headlines and subheadings. In addition, it's a good idea to highlight essential keywords, phrases, and links. Directions for assignments need to be arranged into bullet points or numbered lists. Rubrics also need to be provided for each of the assignments and exemplary work for the students to refer to for assessment. Use clear fonts and colors to help students recognize important information. And also consider setting up course links in a manner that allows your students to easily navigate the site. If the course layout is confusing, students have the right to reach out for help. It's the teacher's job to make sure that your students have the resources they need. So that training was a little short today, but I think it was very necessary for you to understand explicitly how to write clear instructions for your students. So your call to action today is to select an assignment that could use some adjustments on instructions. Following the provided suggestions in this training, revise the instructions and be sure to come back to this group and share with us your experience.